2025 is just around the corner, and the speed at which AI is evolving is next level. If you are not using AI tools yet, you are missing out saving time, money, and productivity. Today, I'm going to show you the top 5 AI tools that will completely transform your work, learning, and life in 2025. Let's dive in. Welcome to Beyond Everything, where we explore tools and ideas to take your life to the next level. Number one on the list is Notion AI. Notion has always been an amazing tool for organization, but with AI, it's a game changer. Notion AI helps you generate ideas, summarize notes, and even draft emails. Whether you are managing a personal project, planning a wedding, or coordinating a team, this tool adapts to your needs. One standout feature, it understands context. Just type a vague idea and it flashes out beautifully. Imagine spending half the time typing and achieving double the work. It's your productivity superpower. Number 2. Everyone's favorite, ChatGPT by OpenAI. It's like having a genius friend who solves all your problems. Whether it's creating presentations, writing creative stories, solving complex coding issues, or even practicing for your interviews, ChatGPT is your go to. The pro version is a powerhouse, but even the free version can save your day. One amazing use, ask it simply a tough question and you'll get an explanation that even a fifth grader can understand. Next up is Grammarly. Whether you are writing emails, essays, or reports, Grammarly's AI ensures your words are always perfect. What makes it unique? Its ability to detect tone. It can tell you that your message sounds confident, apologetic, or even aggressive. Plus, its clarity suggestions make sure your writing is sharp and concise. If you're working on big projects, the Premier version includes advanced features like plagiarism checks and style guides. So it's perfect for students, professionals, and anyone who loves to write. Number 4 is MidJourney, an AI that transforms your imagination into art. Whether you are a designer, marketer, or hobbyist, this tool is magic. Just give it a few prompts and it creates visuals that look like they belong in an art gallery. From logos to concept art, it's a dream for creatives. Imagine explaining a design idea to a client and showing them a professional draft within minutes. Midjourney makes creativity accessible to everyone. And finally, Otter.ai, your note taking genie. Whether it's meetings, lectures, or interviews, Otter records everything and transcribes it in real time. What sets it apart? It doesn't just transcribe, it summarizes key points and highlights action items. You can even share these transcribes with your team instantly. No more stress about missing important details. This is a must have tool for students, professionals, and anyone who values their time. So these are the top 5 AI tools that you should start using in 2025, and I'm sure most of you would be using these AIs already, but the main thing is you need to get the mastery in whatever AI you are trying to use. So they are not just tools, they are your secret weapons to take your work and life to the next level. So which tool will you try first? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more productivity hacks. This is Beyond Everything, signing off.